Alright, this is Joe from Mr. Paintball Vids, and testing out Joey's goggle cam to make this video on how to take apart and fully maintenance your Pinokio. Now, for the most part, on regular days cleaning your Pinokio, all you have to do is take off the nose cone and just clean out the inside. But every couple of weeks, you may want to do this just to clean out all the other stuff. So what you want to do is take these screws off on all the sides, just like you would with a halo, and don't lose the screws. What the hell is that? Alright, continuing on, taking out these screws. This is sometimes. Tighten this one too much. And now I'm gonna strip it. Cool. Fuck. Go back to that one a second. Two more left now. Let's do this right. I need another screwdriver to take that one out. Top one right here. One last one, I gotta take another screwdriver out here. Try that. There we go. Hope I didn't lose any. Alright, once you get all those screws out, just split the shell apart like you would with a halo. Okay, so once you split the shell apart, you're going to have one piece shell with no internals, and this one has all the internals. Here's the button with the board and all the wires, and this just all comes out just like that. The bend sensor, and that's it. And then you can access the inside of that easier, take the drive out and clean it out better. Alright, that's it.